Hello students, today we are going to discuss a short essay on my favorite day, Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday because it's a holiday for me on Sunday. On Sunday I like to wake up a bit late and will have my breakfast with my parents and younger brother. Then I play football with my father inside our house. Sometimes he helps me in doing some interesting activities. By this time, my mother will cook my favorite dishes for me, which I enjoy a lot. After lunch, I will take a short nap with my family after a story from my mother. In the evening, I will watch some movies or my favorite cartoon. Evening, my father will take us to park nearby or any beach. Sometimes we visit our nearby temple. I love to play with my brother in the park and beaches. We will go to the market and buy vegetables and other items. I get more refreshed and energetic in my studies after each Sundays. Sunday will always be my favorite day. That's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching.